a moment. Consider how would a brainwashed world, convinced they have the right axioms, be? A collapsing system with many holes, established based on a concept, not reality. Delusional, insisting concept is progress. Mass convincing, patter rich but lack understanding. The sin of your evil twin, not brain but another within, corrupts your mental den by installing webs of linen made by programming, plotting your neurons. The injection of habit thinking through reduction to merit for function as society's debit. Break free, you are aware, don't be ensnared by lovely metals to bear or threats to tear and glare. Me, my chosen path. Scorn my bundled personality, hearing mourn the crumbled ego within. Hold my fumbled sins, I can't contain words, jumbled truth I can explain. God, stay closer than the juggler vein. With letting go to procure your world, get a win. Won't control me, I'm a soldier of faith. Won't disarm me, I'm a provider of rage. Won't disarm me, I'm the wandering hate. Won't like play, I'm no corrupt display. Forgive the unborn round to rule the left dog crowd. Left dogs, all of you. Once bound, go around till the light already found. Get ignored even as it pounds hard to get your heart staying on you. Unlearn the forced teaching, they tempt you. Unclasp the mask of preaching, they damn you. Unaware of the true bearing, they brainwash you. Before you claim tin for your hat, hold up, wind up, heads up, think how they you think the concept is valid without starting from reality. Philosophy, wordplay to conformity, not possibilities. Scientific, wearing calendly, mathematically, a contradiction, disagree, plausibility. Particularity of fields, conceits, brain efficiency, malleability to the whims and codependency. No, without starting from what is, then it isn't like glaring over unicorn, enforcing a unicorn. They ask consciousness, correlating with awareness. You're subconsciously unaware, you're now aware. Irony at its finest, do you dare unlearn the care against the peer? Grab like a plane like Diogenes, but more clear. Ever straight but not legs bare. In short, you're being chained. Smart is being systemically strained. Intelligence sees functionality untamed. What if everything you thought was false? A possibility unhammered, painted without honor, absurdity lacking power. Yet once you stop, look, remove the prop, you'll collapse. Your smugger degrees that tug your chains into dry grass. Lelouch, a rebellion like Deadman's wonderland. Behind the scenes that control the teams think they fight for the creed and deems they're freed from the piloted deeds. You pivoted into oblivion, lost in the reeds, oblivious to that sound that screams. They ignore, claiming it meets their needs. Yet deceptive comforts and riches that you never meet hold you down on your feet. Compulsive thoughts, war at war, hard at launch, claiming ethics is hard, but thoughts and thoughts painted as right. No, reality is one clear but ignored, only hard to see. Through the plea of insanity, they claim it to flee. Afraid you won't flee to walls to pay. Shakespeare's to pay or not to pay, but here is to flee or not to flee. Even if it's a burden of heavy faith that shakes your psyche to handle going against all day grind. Go, and research, start, spark, scribe. Do not follow guidelines. Hearsay, throw the hate aside. Or you'll be a brainwashed puppet. So what if I was right? What if this was true? Won't you take the time to let go for a moment?